Clarifion sent me this product to review. This is an air ionizer, all right? Just for the sake of scale here, here's a can of soda. I'll show you how big it is. So this does not require any filters. You just plug it into the wall, standard outlet, right? It will, it'll go good in your bedroom, office, kitchen, the laundry room. And the idea behind what this thing does is it filters out like odor and smoke, dust, pet dander, stuff like that. Comes in a 3-pack, right? So 2-bedroom house, 3-bedroom house should be good to go. And then you, nope. My dog over here sniffing the package. Put it in the kitchen, put it in the laundry room, like I said, put it next to the trash. We're putting these in our boys' bedrooms, try and see how they work. And like I said, since it's ionization technology, it doesn't require any filters. You just plug it in and that's it. That's it. And one thing that you should consider is this is small enough, like I said, about the size of a little bit smaller than a can of soda. This is small enough that you can take this with you if you travel. Throw this in your hotel room or at the Airbnb, if there's a smelt there, right? So yeah, thanks again to Clarifion for, hope I'm pronouncing that right. Thanks again to Clarifion for sending me this to review. Let's give it a try.